Hey, how's it going, guys? This video is going to talk all about my Patreon exclusive content. There's a lot of awesome things you get when you support my creations on Patreon, but none of them are required to enjoy my RGB profiles. All of my RGB profiles have always been free on my website, but the additional perks you get as a Patreon supporter will save you time and are also nice to have. Aside from the perks, the support on Patreon has made all of my work possible. I spend long hours every night after my full-time job working on new RGB profiles and or updating existing RGB profiles for the constant new devices that Corsair and Razer release. There's no way I would have spent the time to get to where we are today without the support of my patrons. Here are the things you get with the $5 per month Patreon subscription. Easy to import RGB profile packages, Stream Deck RGB profiles, IQ Nexus RGB profiles, RGB profile color packs, an orange Patreon color on my Discord server, and access to the Patreon-only Discord channel, sneak peeks on work-in-progress profiles every week, your name will appear at the end of my RGB profile videos, and finally, you get my love and appreciation. Let's start with the easy-to-import RGB profile packages. The easy-to-import profile packages are large queue folders that contain all of the profiles of a certain category. For example, the Requested Profiles queue folder is a collection of profiles that have been requested by the community. I've spent a lot of time adding some of my own code into the files that makes it so the icons and backgrounds are automatically included when importing queue folders into IQ. These packages will save you a ton of time from having to download and import profiles one by one, and then on top of that having to manually add the icons and backgrounds. Additionally, if you don't use the queue folders and you only want specific files from the queue folder, I've included each separate file in a folder, and these separate files have also been coded to include their icon and background upon being imported into IQ. Now let's go ahead and show you how to download and use these profile packages. First, go onto my website and click on the Corsair Profiles tab at the top. The latest profile package is always pinned at the top of the website. You can hover over the image and click this green download button. It will take you to the Patreon page where you can download the package. Once you've downloaded the package, the first thing you'll want to do is open the zip file and drag the icons and background folder straight into your C directory just like this. You don't put this folder anywhere else, it has to be straight into your C directory. Now you can select the category you want to import. For this example, I'll be importing the Fall Guys profile collection. All you have to do now is drag the queue folder out of the zip and onto your desktop. Now go into IQ and import the file like you normally would by navigating to your desktop and selecting the queue folder. If you get an error that says this file is not a valid queue profile or queue folder file, then close IQ completely through Task Manager and restart it and try importing the file again. Now you know how to use my easy to import profile packages. If you run into any additional trouble, then join my Discord server for help. Now let's talk about how to download and install my Stream Deck RGB profiles. I've created GIFs that you can put onto your Elgato Stream Deck that match my various RGB profiles. Go to the Corsair Profiles page on my website and search for Stream Deck and press enter. Hover over the image and click this green download button. It will take you to the Patreon page where you can download the package. Inside the zip, you'll find GIFs for each theme. For this example, I'll use Deep Space. Extract all of the GIFs from the zip and put them in a folder. Open the Stream Deck software and create a new blank profile and name it. Now drag the website macro onto each button. Now simply select each button and add the GIF file in order. Deep Space 1 is the first button, Deep Space 2 is the second button, and so on. Now you have a Stream Deck that matches my RGB profile. Additionally, you can configure one of the buttons on the Stream Deck to take you to your icons, and when you want it to match your setup again, then you can just return to the RGB theme when the Stream Deck isn't going to be used. Next, let's talk about how to download and install my IQ Nexus RGB profiles. I've created GIF backgrounds for Nexus that match my profiles in a similar fashion to the Stream Deck. Go to the Corsair Profiles page on my website and search for Nexus and press enter. Hover over the image and click this green download button. It will take you to the Patreon page where you can download the package. Inside the zip, you'll find the GIF backgrounds for each theme. For this example, I'll use Neon. Open IQ and go to Nexus. Then simply choose the GIF as a background for one of your screens. Now your Nexus will match my RGB profile just like the Stream Deck. Now I'll talk about my RGB profile color packs. There are certain themes such as Fireworks and Biohazard that I've created in 9 main colors and put into a package. Go to the Corsair Profiles page on my website and search for Color Pack. All of the available color packs will show up. For this example, we'll import the Fireworks color pack. Hover over the image and click the green download button that takes you to the Patreon page where you can download the package. Now just unzip the queue folder from the zip and import it into IQ as usual. That's basically all there is to color packs. Finally, I'm going to include a link in the YouTube description on how to claim your orange name on my Discord server. After you do all of that, you'll be able to access the Patreon chat. I hope this video helps you guys. Thanks again for all the support on Patreon. I put long hours into all of this content, and it's all possible because of you guys. I hope you guys stick around for all the awesome content I have planned, and I'll see you guys next time.